Which field is better in 2023, either data science or artificial intelligence? Introduction. Hi there. In today's rapidly evolving job market, data science and artificial intelligence are two of the most in-demand fields. If you're wondering which field to choose in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, we will compare data science and artificial intelligence and help you understand which field is better suited for your career aspirations. Data science. Data science is the process of extracting insights from structured and unstructured data. It involves the use of statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization techniques to extract meaningful insights from data. In today's data-driven world, data science has become an essential field for businesses to remain competitive. Data scientists are in high demand across industries such as healthcare, finance, and retail. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making. AI is used in a variety of applications, including robotics, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI has significant potential to transform industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. Comparison. While both data science and artificial intelligence are exciting and rapidly growing fields, they have different focuses and career paths. Data science is focused on analyzing data to extract insights, while AI is focused on developing intelligent machines. Data science typically requires a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming, while AI requires advanced knowledge of computer science, robotics, and machine learning. In terms of job opportunities, both fields offer high-paying and rewarding careers. However, the demand for data scientists is currently higher than that of AI specialists. According to LinkedIn's Emerging Jobs Report 2021, data science is the fastest-growing job in the U.S., with a 37% annual growth rate. At the same time, AI specialist jobs grew at a slower rate of 17%. Conclusion. So which field is better for you in 2023, data science or artificial intelligence? It ultimately depends on your interests and skills. If you enjoy working with data and statistics, then data science could be a great choice for you. If you are interested in developing intelligent machines, then AI could be the field for you. Both fields have significant potential for growth and can offer exciting career opportunities. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about your career path.